Have you ever been logged into Instagram but realized you've forgotten your password? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you an easy, step-by-step guide to reset your Instagram password while you're logged in. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and head to the main page. In the top right corner, you'll see three horizontal lines. Tap on them to open the Settings and Activity menu. From here, click on the Account Center. This is where all your account settings are managed. Tap on it to access your account-related options. Next, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for Password and Security and tap on it. This is where we'll manage your password settings. Now tap on the Change Password option. If you have multiple Instagram accounts linked, you'll need to select the account for which you want to reset the password. Here's the key step. If you don't remember your current password, tap on Forgot Your Password. Instagram will send a password reset link to your registered phone number or email. Check your phone or email for the reset link. Once you receive it, tap on the link, and you'll be redirected to the password reset page. Now follow Instagram's password guidelines to create a strong new password. Make sure it's secure and easy for you to remember. And that's it. Your password has been successfully reset. You can now log in with your new password across all your devices. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends who might need help, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.